Alright guys, welcome back to Building a Badass YJ. So today I have a quick video on the ZJ actually. I'm having a problem with the hatch. Sometimes it opens, sometimes it doesn't, so let's go back there and see if it opens or not. I already have it unlocked, so if it opens, great. If not, we're going to have to climb in and get it from the inside. Being a cock. Oh, there we go. Looks like I need to get some new shocks, but alright, let's go in here and let's deal with this. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this panel off real quick. It looks like we have a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, and screw there, screw there, screw there, and screw there. So I'm gonna put this down and undo these screws real quick and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I got the hatch off. So there is, I think, 10 screws. These two long ones were the ones that went right here and right there. So this is what it looks like off. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it was in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this hatch and see what is wrong with it, and I'll let you know what I find. Okay guys, so I found the problem. Let's see if I could focus it. Come on, focus. Okay, so you guys see this little silver screw right here? It's like a screw-like thing. It's not really a screw. Well, it was down here, so that was over here. If that makes any sense, it was just down lower. So when you pull the latch, it wasn't returning all the way to the top. See how it's all the way at the top now? It was like down here, this is where it was finishing, not up here. So you just need to tighten this down so it pulls it harder, and then that's it. So I'm just gonna put this back on, and that's really it, guys. Alright guys, the panel's back on. Let's close it and check, make sure it works one more time. Boom, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I'm just going to do a quick little thing. I picked up this roof rack from a buddy of my Jeep club. Got this shit for 50 bucks. Let me get a nice little view of it. Boom, right there. 76 inches long and 36 wide. It's a badass little rack. Alright, but guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope that was easy. And I'll get back to you with anything else I have to do on either the YJ or the ZJ. Have a good day, guys. Bye.